Namaste children, I am Smita, your English teacher from Mangala Vidya Mandira. Class 5th Standard, Subject English. Unit 4 Poem, Believe. This poem was written by Chelsea Varvaru. So let us begin the poem, Believe. Children, belief is trust, faith or confidence in something, isn't it? Belief is a strong feeling that something or someone is good or right. So when we believe something, we do things in accordance with that belief. Believe in love, believe in faith, believe in truth, believe that no matter what happens, you have the power to prevail. In this poem, Believe, the poetess asks the readers to believe in love, because it is a love that keeps the world together, isn't it? She asks the readers to believe in faith. Faith is complete trust or confidence in someone or something. So it is the faith that gives us strength in times of weakness. We all keep faith in God so that we have strength to face the difficulties of life, isn't it? She asks the reader to believe in truth. Truth refers to reality or actuality of life. She tells the readers to believe or trust in oneself, that no matter what happens to us, how life changes, what difficult situations we encounter, we will have the strength or power to exist. So prevail means to exist. Believe in strength, believe in courage, believe in honor, believe that everyone has the power to be. Now the poetess asks the readers to believe in one's own strengths, one's capabilities, one's talents and abilities, to believe in courage, that is confidence, because it's our courage which helps us to deal with oddities. Oddities means problematic situations, which helps us to keep moving in life. So she asks the readers to believe in honor, respect, and to believe that everyone has the power to survive, to live no matter what happens to him or her. Good at heart, believe in song, believe in dance, believe in culture, believe that no matter who you are or where you are from, everyone is unique. Okay? So good at heart, the poetess tells us to be good at heart, to be a good human being, that is to respect and care for others, to be sympathetic towards others, to believe in song and dance. Here song and dance also means the happiness, and belief in such happiness would make our life easier to live. The poetess also asks the readers to believe in the uniqueness. Uniqueness means every person is special, different, whether you are rich or poor or from different social backgrounds, doesn't matter, but everyone is unique or special. So feel proud of one's existence. So the poetess also asks the reader to believe in culture, one's own culture. Believe in time, believe in forever, believe in you, believe that as long as you believe in yourself, anything is possible. Next, the poetess asks the reader to believe in time, to value time and use the time economically, and believe that time is also healer of one's difficulties, isn't it? So she asks the readers to believe in forever, to believe in perfection. Forever here means the positivity which lasts long. The poetess asks the readers to believe in that positivity which is likely to last for a longer period of time. Okay, she asks the readers to believe in ourselves. That is the most important thing, because we can achieve anything or everything is possible if we have the belief in ourselves, if we have belief in ourselves. So we are able to fulfill our ambitions and the desires if we have the belief in ourselves. And this is the most important part of one's existence according to the poetess. I hope you have understood the poem, children. So the poetess here wants us to make our belief strong so that life becomes much easier and happier. The poetess wants us to believe in all the positive aspects of life so that we end up being strong individuals. Okay, now coming to the homework part. You have to write a short paragraph on my home. This is a homework for you. You have to write a short paragraph on my home and send it through WhatsApp. Thank you, children.